What's up, guys? We're back in the garage again. Juan's doing some touch-ups today. We're gonna get it all pretty.
Touch-ups, bro. You damn near painting half your car.
I mean, he's painting half my car again.
Not even.
Front bumper, hood, trunk. You're doing all the removable parts for the most part. But today, we're getting all these touch-ups done because there's a show in about 2 weeks that I really want to be a part of. It was like one of the first shows I was ever a part of, and it's back, so I'm gonna do it. That being said, June 29th at the Autobahn in Joliet, Illinois. There is JDM Chicago x Grid Life x Automass, and it's gonna be sick. So if you're there, I already paid the money, so $52 worth, I better be there. So I'll be there. You guys can come say what's up. Danny will probably finish his registration tonight. Angel won't be there. He'll be there, but his car won't be there. We'll just leave his ass at home. But, so we gotta get everything prepped for that. I already placed an order with Downstar to get all the well nuts and shit to do the side skirts the way I want to do them, because fuck fitting fiberglass. We're just gonna drill them little bastards in. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. So, montage time. Alright, guys. We skipped the montage because we were watching TJ's video. Yeah, and eating veggie straws. But we're about to actually do a last little cleanup. Juan's got everything prepped and ready to get sprayed down. So we're gonna get that spray action happening. My car's currently 70% under plastic. You can say my car's under wraps. No? Okay. But we got all this. Hey, I'm trying to fucking vlog here. You want this shit to happen? I don't see your ass standing here talking to a camera. Angel's talking shit. His car's not even one color.
Hey, chill.
But
technically neither is yours right now.
But neither is mine right now. So, that being said, Juan's gonna get to spraying. I wanted to show you guys that Juan wrapped it before he tapped it. Always. And then, 2 days into driving the car after he painted it, I kind of hit a parking curb. In my defense, it wasn't that big of a bump. Shout out David. The curb jumped. Oh, this is just dust. It's not all. I'm fixing it faster than you are. Oh no, that's fucked. Oh, that's bad. You guys want to see the road rash? And we're back, guys. So we just closed up the garage door. Everything's been painted and resprayed. We're gonna let this dry for the rest of the day. He's gonna come back in a couple days. He's gonna wet sand buff, then polish the entire car. Hopefully I'll get the side skirts on by then, and then it'll be a wrap, guys. It'll be good to go. You really gotta lock your car while I'm talking? I'm trying to wrap this video up.
Yeah, well, that's not putting my Instagram in the last video.
Oh, you want to do it right now?
It's gonna get cut anyways, but...
See, I told you I wouldn't put it in there. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. It's all painted, locked away. It's the time of the year where like all the little fuzzy things fall from the sky, and then an airplane going over once again. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Fuck this airplane right here, wherever he's at. I fucking looked at the sun.
The fuck, are you recording? This is some bullshit. We just waited for a plane.
God damn it, I almost said O'Brien. I don't know. O'Brien's just what clicked in my head. I'm like, God damn it, O'Brien.